good afternoon, everyone. Again with another forecast update for you for this November the 14th, 2023. I'm hoping everybody's having a great Tuesday out there so far. Hope everybody has a great Tuesday afternoon. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the tropical Atlantic here, across the tropical satellite imagery here. Also, we're going to take a look at the National Hurricane Center information on this system here. We'll talk a little bit about it. Also, we're going to take a look at the Watches Warning Advisory map for your locating across the nation. Also, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for general thunderstorms across portion of the area. I'll show you in today's video. And also, we're going to take a look at the 7-day rainfall total at the end of this cycle. So, stick around through the entire video. Do not miss a beat of this forecast. And let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. All right, you can see here we got a tropical wave here over here in the MDR region. Looks kind of suspicious. Organized shower and thunderstorm. Look like it's trying to get its act together. Got a subtropical jet going to the northeastern areas. Here is that little system everybody watching, plus I'm watching as well. Continue to push on off to the north and east. So you guys in Jamaica, eastern Cuba, the Dominican Republic, Haiti, maybe Puerto Rico, maybe even the British Virgin Islands, you may get affected by this system, even maybe portions of the Bahamas as well. We'll continue to monitor as well. Also, this system here over the southeast, also in the northern Gulf of Mexico, need to monitor it for possible development off the southeast coast. So I would not be surprised to see something develop as well. All right, let's move on to the National Hurricane Center weather forecast page. You can see here's that system here. In the southwestern Caribbean Sea, a large area of disorganized shower and thunderstorm over the southwestern Caribbean Sea associated with a broad trough of low pressure. Environmental conditions appear conducive for development of this system, and a tropical depression is likely to form during the latter part of this week while it moves northeastward across the central portion of the Caribbean Sea. Interest in Jamaica, Cuba, Haiti, Dominican Republic, the southeastern Bahamas, and the Turks and Caicos Islands should monitor the progress of this system regardless of development. This system has the potential to produce heavy rains over portions of the Caribbean Sea, coast of Central America, and the Greater Antilles through the end of the week. Formation chance right now is at 20%, and formation chance through 7 days is at 70%. So there's the little system there. That's what you've seen on the satellite imagery. All right, let's move on to the watch you're locating across the nation. Alright, you can see here we got a large area of special weather statements extending from Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, back into Indiana, Kentucky, also over towards, like I say, North Carolina, northern Georgia, also in the portion of Iowa, and also northern portions of Wisconsin, and also a portion of areas of Washington, Oregon State. This area here over the mid-Atlantic and portion of southeast, this is for low relative humidity. Also, this here is for low relative humidity as well in these areas here. Also, we have also in portions of Oregon and Washington State as well. Winter weather advisory for a couple counties there in northern Montana. Also, we have some areas of air quality alerts over portions of areas of Idaho. Wind advisory down in Southern California. We have gale warnings, small craft advisory extending from up here near the mid-Atlantic down to the southeast coast, southeast Florida. You've got some flood watches along coastal areas of Florida. Hydro issue there as well. Flood warnings in effect for southern Louisiana. Gale warnings also in small craft advisory for the west coast of Florida all the way back to the east coast of Texas. Same over here in Southern California all the way back up to Washington State. Alright, we got red flag warnings has been posted for the island chain island, all of them, even small craft advisory around coastal areas. We still got those winter storm warnings, special weather statements, wind advisories. Also, we have some, let me see what, let's see, high surface, storm warning in effect, and also, let's see, heavy freezing spray warnings in effect. Storm warnings, and also some gale warnings around the island, and also small craft advisory around coastal areas of Alaska, central Alaska. That's where the winter storm warnings are posted. Alright, storm time. Alright, as you can see, we do not have no severe weather. We have general thunderstorms across southern Louisiana, central and south Texas, and also the Florida Keys. This is for today. Let's move on to day number 2, which will be Wednesday. Thursday. Posted for this here. We have general thunderstorm from portion of Louisiana, southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, the Panhandle, Florida, central and southern Florida, including the Florida Keys. Also a little bit over here in portions of Arizona and southern California. All of this, no severe weather expected at this time with these systems. All right, let's move on to your Thursday forecast. Alright, you can see here we got general thunderstorm from the coastal area of South Carolina through southeast Georgia, all of Florida, Florida Keys, all the way back to the Florida Panhandle and southeastern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, and southern Alabama for general thunderstorm activity on Thursday. And finally, we're going to wrap it up with the rainfall totals across the lower 48. As you can see, we got heavy precipitation down in the Gulf of Mexico, also across portions of the southern United States, from Texas all the way through Louisiana, Arkansas, back over to portions of the Carolinas, maybe almost an inch of rain in some areas up toward a portion of Ohio and also West Virginia. We got heavier amounts in the Gulf of Mexico, like I said, also down across central and southern Florida, including the Florida Keys, Cuba, the Bahamas, and then the Atlantic coastal water. We might get maybe a quarter to a half inch of rain across portions of the Carolinas, all the way into portions of southeastern portions of areas of Canada, stretching all the way back over to the Pacific Northwest and also in the southwestern U.S. Heavy precipitation over in California, back up toward Washington State, and also back into southwest Alaska, and some in Idaho, Montana, also in Colorado and Utah, some heavy precipitation there as well. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Everybody continue to stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribe if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video, so have a wonderful, wonderful Tuesday afternoon, folks. Take care.